Yeah, okay. Let's not wait any further. I think you are here. That's most important. All right. So let us just continue with the lesson. All right. So have you do you manage to see the worksheet for today yet?
Yes.
Oh, very good. And today, what are we learning? Tell me.
What problems and fractions?
And what's the important thing? Oh, you have the worksheet. Smart girl. You got the worksheet. Okay, today we are learning something called what? What is this thing called? Supposition method. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Excellent. All right. So today we'll be doing two things actually. Firstly, we'll be doing something called comparing and ordering fractions, means to see like which fraction is bigger, which one is smaller. All right. Compare the numerator. Let's compare the denominator and all this. And we are going to do something called supposition method, which is very important word problems. Have your teacher done something called supposition in school already?
Yes.
Yes, very good. All right. So this one will be like a revision. All right. We got one more student coming in. All right. So let me admit her first. Hey, Casey. Hello. Welcome to Idiot Tuition. Casey, can you hear my voice? Earth calling Casey. Earth calling Casey. Can you hear my voice? Casey, are you there?
Hello.
Hey, hello. Do you want to on your video? You can. Thank you so much. Hey, hi. You recognize me or not?
Yeah.
Oh, from where?
The video.
How come I don't recognize you? That's because it's my first time seeing you lah. Okay, so sorry, disturb you. All right, so I was just talking to Zara just now, and I was just telling her that we'll be doing a little bit of fractions today and a little bit of supposition. Your school done supposition method already with you, Casey?
No.
Oh yeah. Okay, today you will hear it firsthand from me. All right, so Zara, just take it as a revision. Is that okay? And Zara, you can keep your, I think you can keep your microphone on because I keep asking question one. Okay, come, let's go into the lesson for today. Hey, and can I say something? Can you try to come in a little bit early for class next time? Huh? I came in 15 minutes early waiting for you guys and nobody come. I'm so sad. All right, so next time, right, can you please come in, let's say 3 minutes to 5 minutes earlier? All right, if you can do that, that would be wonderful. Okay, so let's go on to today's lesson. Zara, are you there?
Yes.
Excellent. All right, that's the reason why I asked you to on the video, because I don't know whether are you there or not. I scared you run to the toilet, then you never come back. Oops. Okay, come. Okay, so if you have a little notebook with you, right, that would be great, because I will want you to write some notes lah. All right, since today we are doing something called fraction and supposition method, take out your notebook and your color pens. Let's go. Okay. So the first thing I want to go through is very simple. Primary 3, Primary 4, you've seen this before. It's something called equivalent fraction. All right, EQUIVALENT. Watch, such a big word. No lah, it's actually not a big word. Don't be afraid. All right, let me throw in some examples, right? Then you say, oh. Okay, check this out. Okay, so for example, I give you a fraction called 3/5. All right, all these actually, children, you all can write with me. Casey and Zara, you can write with me. All right, so inside your notebook, you can write this down. All right, it's actually a revision. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. It's very simple. All right, so 3/5 can be written down as 6/10. Zara, this is your very first important question. Dun, dun, dun. What is 9/what? Tell me. Equivalent fraction. Tell me. Zara, 9/what?
9/15.
Very good. Smart girl. All right. And Casey, this one's super difficult for you. Super difficult. Confirm you don't know one. What over 20?
12.
Hey, Casey lah, not Zara lah. Hey, Zara, don't like that. Give her a chance. Casey, what's the answer?
12.
12, right? Okay. Very good. All right, so not super difficult lah. All right, because it's equivalent fraction. Come on, students. All right, fraction is a beautiful thing, correct? I don't think so, right? I think you all don't like fractions, I know. All right, but you have to change your mindset a bit because fraction is so important. All right, it will appear in primary 5, primary 6. Every year it appears, so you must know that it's a beautiful thing. Okay, one more, one more. Oops. All right, all this you can write down. All right, so I started off with 2 over 3. Okay, now Casey first, Casey. Okay, now I want 8. Tell me, what's the denominator?
Can I answer?
No, Casey will answer. Zara, don't like that. Casey, it's okay, take your time.
Can I guess?
Okay. Guessing is also one way of doing math because we have something called guess and check, remember? Why not? Come, guess. Make a good guess. What do you think, Casey?
6.
6? All right, you think it's 6? Okay, so down here, right, unfortunately, your guessing is wrong. All right, but don't worry.
8 divided by 2 is 4, so 3 times 4.
Very good, Zara. Okay, Casey, do you heard what Zara say? Can you see? Can you see? You are given, right? You are given the 2 and the 8. You are given the numerator. So, Casey, 2 times what equal to 8? You tell me.
4.
Very good. You know this. If the numerator times 4, right, the denominator must also?
Times 4.
Very good. Casey, do you have like a sister or brother at home?
No.
Okay. So for example, if your mommy give you $2, right, you will expect how much from your daddy?
$2.
Yeah lah, must be fair. All right, must be fair. So if on top times 4, right, if your mommy give you times $4, your daddy better give me times $4. Can you see or not? All right, so whatever you do to the numerator, you must do to the denominator. You must be fair. Understand? All right, so 3 times 4 is what? Tell me.
12.
12. Very good. That's how Zara got 12 just now. All right. So Casey, don't have to guess in future, can? Right? You can do it one. 加油. All right. And now, Zara, this is for you. Wow. This one is a 0.27. Okay, tell me, what's the answer for the numerator?
18.
18. Very good. Very good. All right. How do you get 18, Zara? Can you share with me?
27 divided by 3 is 9, so 2 times 9.
Very good. Your division very powerful. You always start from here. Do you know that? All right. You always start from the back towards the front. All right. You will say 27 divided by 9 is 3. Therefore, 2 times 9 must give you 18, right? Very good. Your division is very powerful. All right, good job. All right. For me, I will ask myself, 3 times what? 27? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. I will slowly list it up. All right. And I will find the numbers. Oh, 27 is 9. Okay. Then 2 times 9 is what? 2 times 9 is 18. All right. That's what I do. All right. But your division is very good, Zara. Good job. Keep it up. All right. So last one for equivalent fraction. This one, this one is going to be super difficult. Okay. Sorry, Zara, did you say something?
No, that's my.
Oh, okay, so sorry. Okay, come. So for example, I give you something called 6 over 10. 6 over 10, and this one I want 15 over something. Oh no. Okay, anyone can give me the answer. The first person to give me the answer. Casey, you want to guess?
I'm converting into an improper one.
Where got improper? Don't have improper lah, eh. Don't scare yourself. Okay, anyone with the answer can shout out. Ding, 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 ding. Remember sometimes the game show, right? The time is running out, they have all this very funny music come on. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, anyone got the answer? Casey, you want to guess? Because later I'm going to teach you something called guess and check, you know. So guessing is a good way for mathematics also. So don't worry, all right? At least you're trying. The important thing you're trying, Casey. All right. Zara, you want to guess or you want to try?
30.
30. Okay, so Zara says it's 30.
No, I say 30.
Oh, sorry, Casey is 30. So sorry. All right, so Casey says it's 30, huh? 30, Casey. All right, and Zara, what do you think?
I have no idea.
No idea, but do you want to try? Come on. Sometimes, right, it's about trying, you know. Just give a number. Okay, what's your favorite number? I don't care. Give a favorite number. I don't care.
I don't have a favorite number.
Sorry?
I don't have a favorite number.
You don't have. Okay, I give for you. Okay, my favorite number is 23. Okay, ready? Okay, hey, for you both, right? For you both, this is important. This type of question is important for P5. It's very important because all this portion right here, right on top here, it seems to be quite okay. All right, but this type of problem is very popular in your P5. Ready? Okay, let's go. So remember, for this type of question, right, you have to what? Trust me. All right, put a star down here. Always what? Down here, put a star. Always reduce to the simplest form first. Always, trust me, simplest form. Write this down, children. Always reduce to the simplest form. Okay, so 6 over 10 is what? 6 over 10 reduced to the simplest form is divide by 2, which will give you a 3 over 5. All right, so divide by 2. If you do something to the numerator, you must do something to the denominator. So you always reduce to the simplest form first. Put a star down there. Put a superstar down here. All right, this is a superstar.
Is the answer 50?
Is the answer what? Sorry?
50?
50 is wrong. 50 is wrong.
Huh?
Casey, you want to try again?
Wait, I calculate.
Okay, come. Right. So you always go back to your simplest form, then you adjust upwards. 3, how to get to 15?
Is it 25?
Very good. Zara, do you see that? You see 25, right?
I also just got 25.
Casey also got it. Yes, you see? Smart. You two get it at the same time. All right. Can you see or not? So sometimes, right, you don't have to go directly to get to the answer. Right, you don't have to directly 6. How to get to 15? Cannot. Improper fraction. No. Chill. All right, everybody take a chill pill. Always go down to the simplest form first, then you adjust upwards again. Understand, no, children? All right, so this portion of adjusting to the simplest form, do it. And now you get it. Answer is 25. So, my favorite number is wrong. All right, my favorite number is wrong. Casey, guess is also wrong. All right, but eventually both of you got it. With just a little tips from me. All right, and the tip is what? Always reduce to the simplest form. Understand or not, children? Okay, All right. So second thing I want to talk about, all right, I can draw a separator line like that. It's a little bit about ordering and comparing. All right. So just 2 things for fractions, and after that we go into the questions. All right. So down here we talk about comparing and ordering. The meaning of comparing and ordering is to see which number is bigger, which number is smaller, etc. All right. Which one is closer to 1 or whatever. Are you ready? Okay. So now, Zara. When we talk about a fraction, right, there's something called the top number and the bottom number. You tell me, Zara only, Zara, tell me, what do we call the top number?
Numerator.
Very good. There's a special name called the numerator. Wow. All right, good job. And Casey, wow, this one's very difficult. What is the bottom number called?
Denominator.
Very good. All right. So we have
Why
the
are you asking us B3 questions?
Yeah, just to revise a bit lah, and also trying to get you to participate. If not, I scared you fall asleep. All right, because I can